Guys, welcome to another video. My name is Catherine Vargas, and today we're going to be doing this very pink look. Not really sure where it came from. Kind of giving me like Valentine's Day vibes, but yeah, it could be for Valentine's Day, it could be for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, but yeah, this is what I created. I really love it. I used a combination of the P. Louise Watch the Queen and Conquer, and then the black shade of the Be Perfect Cosmetics palettes. So yeah, this is today's look. I know it's been a while. It's literally been so long since I've sat down and actually done something that wasn't just like a soft glam for like going out. So it actually feels so good to do something different. Hopefully you guys are excited to see this look. Let me know down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's just jump right in.
So we are starting off by taking the shade Making Moves, and I am just going to build this shade up on my crease. I'm just going to keep layering it up until I'm happy with the pigmentation. Then I'm going to take the shade Take Over, and I'm going to put that below the Making Move shade. I really want to deepen up this look, so I decided to take the shade to do so. Then I'm taking Fun and Games on a very big fluffy brush, as you can see here, to smoke out this look. Then I'm going to go back into each of those shades and just re-intensify. Now I'm taking a black from the Be Perfect, and I'm just going to put this below the Takeover shade to really deepen it up even more. Now I'm taking some micellar water and just prepping my eye to cut the crease, and then I'm using the blank canvas by P. Louise, and I'm just filling in what I created with the micellar water. Then I'm taking Take Over to really help me blend out that harsh line. Now I'm taking the shade Champion. It's a very beautiful pastel pink, and I'm just going to start putting that where I created the Have a Cut crease. I feel like it definitely took the look to another level. Then taking Fun and Games to blend out that harsh line. Now I'm taking the Professional Mist to really set my face before I go on with foundation. For foundation, I'm taking the Rare Beauty in 240W. And then I'm using this a new foundation brush. It's a Zoeva one, and I am obsessed with it. It leaves no streaks whatsoever, and I just love it. Then for concealer, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood contour stick and just using that to kind of bronze my face up. Then for blush, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Pink Gasm. For some reason, I have been so obsessed with this since the moment I bought it. I've used it every time I've gone out. There's something about it that I'm just obsessed with. It looks so beautiful. Then for concealer, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium and just using that under my eyes. And it does an amazing job at brightening the under eyes, as you guys can see here. Now for powder, I'm taking the Collab powder, then I'm using a Beauty Blender puff to really set that powder in. This is another thing that kind of makes a difference. This little powder puff is just so good. Then for bronzer, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Bronzer Duo and just using that to further like bronze my face and kind of set the cream from the Charlotte Tilbury. Then I'm taking this blush from Tresluce to set that Charlotte Tilbury Pinkgasm. Now I took a pink and a cream to really create that very vibrant like pastel pink. Then for the waterline, I'm basically using the same colors that I use on the eye, so the purple, the two pinks, and just blending them together. Then for mascara, I'm taking the Benefit They're mascara. For lips, I'm using the Rare Beauty in Wise. Rare Beauty lip liner in Wise. Then I topped it off with a Merit lip oil. And this will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!